The S8-S9 series grants high performance and efficiency to espresso professionals. The aesthetics of the structure is elegant and modern at the same time. A sensitive temperature electronic control is possible thanks to the intuitive control panel. At switching on, the LED corresponding to 120 degrees flashes. The LEDs before 120 degrees turn to fixed light once the machine has reached operating temperature. Keep the P button pressed to enter the temperature programming phase. You can increase or decrease the value of 1 degree per time using the minus and plus buttons, and press the P button again to quit the programming phase. Press and keep the red free flow delivery button pressed to start the dosage setting. The dosage setting of a group on the right will be stored on the other groups. Set the single dosage. Later on, the double dosage. Press the red free flow button again to store the dosage setting on the other groups. To cope with an increase of workload, you can easily increase the temperature of 2 degrees on the control panel. You can then turn on the electric cup warmer if available. If you are working on a 6/8 coffee machine, operate on the knob to regulate steam for milk emulsion. If you have chosen the S9 model, operate on the lever to use the steam wand. The S8 and the S9 are available in the takeaway version with the folding espresso cup grids, which deliver the coffee into takeaway or espresso cups. For specific space needs, you can choose the compact version of S8 or S9 in 2 groups with 2 steam wands.